Current Dogelon Mars cost truly is $0.00000025. Bears control ELON's truly current cost activity, which explicitly is very huge. ELON fundamentally rose 1.42% in 7 days in a very significant manner. The sort of current exchanging volume of Dogelon Mars truly is at $1,078,656, which in a real sense is very critical. The 2nd of June 2023. In this video we will sort of walk you through Dogelon Mars cost examination for now or for certainly 1 week from now, and for the most part attempt to answer these regularly. By and large got clarification on some pressing issues. What fundamentally is truly momentary cost expectation for Dogelon Mars really is ELON in every practical sense, wise interest in an extremely enormous way. Dogelon Mars support and obstruction levels and so forth, genuinely in spite of mainstream thinking. Be that as it may, prior to plunging commonly profound into the ELON specialized examination, in every practical sense, let us especially discuss the by and large current economic situations, which generally is very huge, market examination over the absolute last 24 hours. There for the most part was a destruction of 1.84%, bringing the especially whole cryptographic money market to $1,143,010,892,478 in an unpretentious manner. The exceptionally complete exchanging volume remains at $31,276,248,695 in an unpretentious manner. Bitcoin shares 45.93% of the entry market, while Ethereum for the most part has a predominance of 16.33% in an exceptionally large manner, which fundamentally brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $27,095.20 level after a vertical development of 0.76%. Which essentially is very huge. Various elective cryptographic forms of money, as Ethereum explicitly has seen a cost increment of 1.6% coming to $1,891.67 during the past 24 hours in a huge manner. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $306.77. Following a value change of 0.6% inside a similar time period in an especially huge manner. XRP, the local coin of XRP especially, is up by 1.98 and right now exchanging at 52 cents, which for the most part is very critical. Moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents subsequent to seeing a downfall of 0.77% in esteem in a genuinely large way. These occasions in a real sense demonstrate that the market by and large is going in all things considered. Descending, heading for in every way that really matters, transient in an unpretentious way. Right now, a genuinely broad fundamentally bad plunge can be seen all through the crypto market. Dogelon Mars execution. The day-to-day diagram of Dogelon Mars basically shows that the ELON cost truly has a genuinely descending development with a 2.51% diminishing and truly beyond 24 hours, which for the most part is genuinely critical. The value worth of the Dogelon Mars coin explicitly is remaining at $0, market capitalization $136,963,872 USD, which for the most part shows that yet prior to plunging essentially profound into the ELON specialized examination. Truly let us certainly discuss the by and large current economic situations in an unpretentious manner. ELON cost changes 1.42% over the course of the week, while the exchanging volume is drifting around $1,078,656 USD, or so they explicitly thought. What explicitly is Dogelon Mars? Dogelon Mars generally is a canine-themed image coin on Ethereum and Polygon. So Dogelon Mars really is a canine-themed image coin on Ethereum and Polygon, which is genuinely huge. It follows the case of extremely other fruitful canine coins like Dogecoin, Shiba Inu and Floki Inu, which essentially is genuinely critical. Dogelon Mars generally plays on genuinely a few famous subjects in the image coin space, or so they in every way that really matters, thought. Its name explicitly is a combination of Dogecoin and Elon Musk, the very rich person business visionary who sort of is a straightforward ally of Doge. Pretty further appearance how ELON generally rose 1.42% in 7 days, or so they fundamentally thought. It suggests Mars, a twist on the really well-known moon image, inferring that Dogelon will encounter a monstrous vertical development, exhibiting how it insinuates Mars. A twist on the very renowned moon image, suggesting that Dogelon will encounter an enormous vertical development, by and large as opposed to mainstream thinking, past its kind of whimsical name. Dogelon Mars truly has explicitly figured out how to truly fabricate a critical local area, with basically in excess of 300,000 Twitter devotees and essentially in excess of 84,000 supporters on message in an unobtrusive manner, who generally are the organizers behind Dogelon Mars in a very huge manner. Very much like explicitly is the situation for its kind of additional unmistakable and essentially more settled cousins. The pioneers behind this truly specific canine coin sort of are obscure, showing that the 2nd of June 2023. In this video we will generally walk you through Dogelon Mars cost examination for now or for the following week and basically attempt to answer these regularly by and large sought clarification on some things. What especially is truly momentary cost expectation for Dogelon Mars, in every practical sense, is elon a fundamentally wise interest in an especially significant manner. That explicitly is an all-around kind of normal event for image coins, and financial backers essentially are very much encouraged commonly because of truly an expected level of effort with generally secret coins to fundamentally try not to succumb to vindictive practices like floor covering pulls and leave tricks. So, elon most certainly has been available for a very long time, making the probability of the coin being a trick generally little, which certainly is genuinely critical. What makes Dogelon Mars extraordinary, which basically is genuinely critical. Dogelon Mars especially utilizes a hilarious, especially comic story of Dogelon, the canine giving the coin its name, as a foundation for its coin, showing that Dogelon Mars support and opposition levels and so on. Dogelon investigates the best secrets of the cosmic system and looks to recolonize the planet he once considered home with the assistance of the companions he's made during his really goes through the stars. Truly a few pretty short comics are distributed on the coin's site that certainly follow Dogelon on his undertakings to Mars, where he for the most part meets companions and goes on experiences in a truly significant manner. Dogelon Mars doesn't generally have a guide fundamentally, however rather fostered a dream form through its comics. After the recolonization of Mars in 2420, Dogelon will explicitly need to battle for very endurance against the Annihilators, exhibiting that what fundamentally is Dogelon Mars in a for the most part significant way. This fantasized rendition recommends that once the coin generally is recorded on all by and large significant trades, the cost of elon will generally reach Mars, or, in really different words, it will exchange at a basically for the most part higher valuation. Especially further appearance how Dogelon Mars especially utilizes a funny pretty comic story of Dogelon, the canine giving the coin its name, as a foundation for its coin, showing that Dogelon Mars support and opposition levels and so on in an exceptionally enormous manner. Nonetheless, Annihilators, by which the unpredictability of the crypto markets could truly be implied, will commonly be an issue the local area will basically need to battle against, showing how the 2nd of June 2023. In this video we will in a real sense walk you through Dogelon Mars cost examination for now or for by and large 1 week from now and by and large attempt to answer these habitually generally clarified pressing issues. What generally is most certainly momentary cost expectation for Dogelon Mars really is elon a for the most part wise venture, which explicitly is genuinely critical. Practically speaking, elon truly is an image coin without much utility past getting it and holding it in a wallet like MetaMask, showing how these occasions especially demonstrate that the market basically is going in an extremely descending bearing for commonly momentary in a quite huge manner. Be that as it may, taking into account it especially has a strong mix of most certainly a few extremely memorable credits in its title. Dogelon Mars could like quickly if the kind of by and large cryptographic money market appreciates and the gamble craving for image coins